Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Clayton J, and that's Stella, and we be hanging. We're hanging, aren't we, Stella? Aren't we? We bonding. She's my best friend now, you know. Right, girl? Sit. She listens to me a little bit now. Shake. Yeah, that's my bitch. We have wrestle fights on the bed lately. Oh, see, she's ready for a wrestle fight. She's like, come on. Girl, you're supposed to be eating. She's like, well, you're not the boss of me. Oh, I am right now. Yeah, she's supposed to be eating because we're gonna go hang out at the park with my brother. And I'm gonna bring her because she wants to. You wanna come? You wanna come? But she gotta eat her food first. So she's gonna eat. Maybe I might have to take it with because look, she's barely touched it. But yeah, Raul's gone. He's in New York. He's actually been in New York since Wednesday. And it's Friday night now. It's like Friday 8 p.m. at night. Just got off work. And I'm just trying to keep myself busy because I miss him. Which I've been pretty busy. You know, I'm trying to fit. Girl, you get. She loves me now. Like me and her, I didn't know we didn't have like a connection. You know, like now she wants to play. Me and her didn't have a connection. It was weird. Like I usually connect with dogs quick, but with her, I didn't connect with her quick. I don't know why. She also has like a weirder personality. Like she's shy. You shy, but now like since I've been with her for like freaking like 4 months, I've known her. She's opening up to me, and now we're besties. And now she's trying to eat my food. Nah. This is what I'm eating. It looks gross, but it tastes really fucking good. But yeah, me and Stella, we just be hanging. Raul comes back Sunday, and it's Wednesday. Oh, he left Wednesday. Afternoon, and today's Friday night, and he's coming back Sunday. I don't know what time yet. I need to ask what time so I can pick him up. But he comes back Sunday, so I'm just trying to keep myself busy. Tomorrow's Saturday, and I work, so. I'm also trying to finish Euphoria. I just started watching it because I don't have HBO, but Raul does, and that's why I'm staying at his house so I can watch Euphoria. Also, all my shit's here, all Stella's shit's here, so just easier to be here. Also, it's literally right next to my work, so I literally wake up 30 minutes before I gotta go to work, take Stella out, change, eat, and I still make it to work. Well, I'm late, but like barely, okay? It doesn't count as late until it's like over 30 minutes, right? But yeah, me and Stella be hanging. I'm trying to finish Euphoria before Raul comes back because he's already watched it. But doesn't look like I'm going to. Me and Stella be wrestling and I be winning, you know, because I be getting some muscles, if you know what I mean. Stella, come here. Come here, Stella, come here. Come here, bitch. Arrgh. Come on. Arrgh. What? Why aren't you trying? Come here. Oh, there you go. Arrgh. She's so big, and when she bites me, it actually hurts. Oh. Now she's playing with her favorite toy. Oh, not anymore. Sit. Come here. Yes. Oh. You're a good girl. Oh. She forgets she weighs more than I do. Hey, chill, girl. Now she's getting too aggressive. But yeah, we just be hanging. My brother's probably waiting for me at the park right now. So Stella, you better go eat. I'm gonna get yelled at because of you. I'm hanging out with Alex. What's up, Alex? Alex got a haircut. Show them a 360 of your hair. Hey, it looks nice. I like it.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. I like that dyed tips. I was actually planning on getting my hair like tip dyed like him, but Raul said no. So I was planning on doing it because he's not in town right now, and then he comes back and I'm like, oh, my bad. But I don't know if it'll look good on me. What? What's your question?
My question is, why is your YouTube short? They're only like 5 minutes long. You gotta make them like 20 minutes long. YouTube.
You want 20-minute long videos?
Do you think he's doing a short YouTube videos? Let's make it longer. Let's get some views. Let's get some subscribers. Let's do all that. Come on.
You need to be my manager. You need to like manage my business. Hey. Yeah, Alex is having relationship problems.
I'm fine.
You're fine?
I don't give a damn.
He's having relationship problems.
I don't care. It's just a girl.
Yeah, it's just a girl. Fuck her.
There's other pussies out there.
Exactly. Alex is crazy. And we got Stella over here hanging out. Hey, baby girl, what you up to? What you up to, baby? Hey, just me and Stella hanging out. Oh, I love you, baby. Yeah, we just be hanging, don't we? Yeah, we're gonna play some basketball now.
Dude, like some people at work.
Stella, she get crazy.
What's your toy? Your toy.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. Ow. No. Bring it back. Drop it. Drop it. Sit. Sit. Alright, you ready? Nothing but net, bro. Nothing but net.
People were telling me to go try playing fish stop down. I was like,
What is that? I've never heard that before. What? Yeah, you want a farmer? Oh, that was bad. Here, let me do it again. Oh, I'm doing good right now.
I like the sky. It looks so beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it was raining on the way here.
It was like so awesome.
Ah. So, come here, baby. Get it, girl.
Oh, yeah.
Watch out, Stella. Oh.
There we go.
Come here. Sit. Sit. Get up here. Ah. All right, let's go get the ball. Come here, Stella. You're a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Trick. Come here. Come here, Stella. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Stella, come here.